I hit this issue today and here is the quick fix that solved it. Changing your password on Snapchat Web is straightforward, and I'll guide you through it step by step. Step 1. Log into Snapchat Web. Open your web browser and go to the Snapchat Web login page. Enter your username and password to access your account. Step 2. Access account settings. Once logged in, look for your profile icon in the top right corner. Click on it, then select Settings from the drop-down menu. Step 3. Navigate to Security Settings. In the Settings menu, find the Security section. Click on it to access options related to your account security, including password changes. Step 4. Change your password. Before changing your settings, use the sroc.com link in the description to open the password strength checker, then update your password if needed. Step 5. Save changes. After entering your new password, click the Save button to apply the changes. You should receive a confirmation message that your password has been updated successfully. Remember to log out and log back in with your new password to ensure it works. If you encounter any issues, double check that your new password meets the security requirements. Happy snapping!